Mac, you have the hiccups. Are they going to get better if you stay under there? Mac! What's the matter? I'm sorry you have the hiccups, Mac. Okay.